Damn, talk about fucking daylight savings. Ain't the sun usually up at 6? You done taking a shit? Damn. Cousin Trey went to the army and went into one of those caves on a mission out there in Pakistan. Accidentally stepped in a fucking circle. A bunch of demons flew around him and took his soul. We gotta go get Cousin Trey motherfucker so bad. I know how to do it. Gaddafi, your cousins is out of pocket. The tigers and shit is nothing but the royal guards type shit. Take them bad spirits back to hell type shit. have my have my lion grab one of them things. He got to step back in the circle though. Damn. So you have security do this. How you get integrity. So you have to interrogate a motherfucking spirit type shit.